Right, it's Wednesday, February 14th. Just thought I'd shoot a morning SPY video here. Obviously, we gapped up a little bit today, and now we're kind of pausing here for 3 or 4 bars. So just wanted to point out that this is kind of a really nice setup. If we break out of here with a green bar to the upside, that's a strong buy, and I will do that. You can see here on the daily chart, we kind of start up near the top of yesterday, but this is an interesting little thing here in the morning that it's pausing up here. Either we continue nicely and stay above the midpoint of that day, or it's possible that we take out the high of the previous day, start lower in the morning, and we'll see if we get through the midpoint of that day and continue the failure to the downside. So if we get kind of a red breakout below this bar, that's, I think, a good sell also. And then we have targets here to yesterday's close, and we see if if we get through the midpoint of that day, we can be getting back down to the bottom of that day. But for now, the bias is to the upside. Actually, I made a similar trade in Meta already. There was the two pauses here to start near the highs of the pre-market, bought the breakout at the blue line and just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade. I bought Meta at 469.87. I scaled out at 470.93. Knowing it's a little tricky here what the market's trying to do. But anyway, it's at no risk right now. So I'll see if Meta continues up here, and tube waves up. If it continues higher, if it gets to the midpoint of the first bar, I'll break even. But I'm looking right now at that SPY as an opportunity. Let me get it here to buy. If we can get a green bar breakout here after this 3 bar pause, I think it'll be a good buy. And then at that point, we see how much higher in the gap. If we can get 2 pushes up into this gap, there's kind of a target in there. I don't necessarily know if it's going to hold in there, for the whole day. Maybe some point you reverse. It could be a good 2 up, 2 down signal tomorrow type of thing. We'll see. But for now, I just wanted to come and point out that I'm definitely monitoring this and kind of ready to buy it if we get the green breakout on bar number 1. So let's see what unfolds here, and let's see if Meta can kind of get 2 waves up here in the morning in a nice directional move. And right now the trade's at no risk.